Today, we will go over how to install the North Hitch for your F250 and F350. There are some variations while installing this, so to make sure to use your installation instructions. You'll want to start by removing the license plate holder as well as the 8 clips that hold the bumper trim piece. Check for any other connection points within the vehicle. Detach 2 clips on the left and right behind the outer bumper trim and remove it. Unplug the wire harness and start removing the 2 bolts on each side connecting the bumper to the vehicle. You will want to save them for reinstallation. Remove the 8 bolts holding the bumper to the frame, allowing you to remove the bumper. Next, remove the 2 nuts on each side of the vehicle, as well as all the hardware and the U-shaped bracket. These will not be reinstalled. Once you place the hitch under the frame rails, insert all the appropriate mounting hardware inside the frame. Then, start by tightening the bolts on the bottom first before the rest of them. Reinstall the bumper in the reverse order of removal, plug the wire harness back in, torque the bolts down, and reinstall the bumper trim. Once you've done all that, Simply use the pin and clip to remove and insert whatever accessory you intend on using.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torquelift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.